What's up, guys? You need to listen to this. Today I have my first 20k trading day. I have a closed gold sell already. The other trade that I have open is currently up 10k. I cannot believe that this is happening. My first 20k trading week. I've been holding on to this trade now for a couple of weeks. There were so many people that doubted me and didn't believe in me. I drowned out the noise and stayed in my own lane. Today is a huge accomplishment, and I know that's the first of many, and for that I'm just super excited. The best thing is that I also shared this trade with all of my members for completely free, and they all made huge profits off of this trade. I'm so grateful that I get to do this every single day and provide value to all of my members. The best thing is that this is completely free, and you can swipe up now to join my free trading community. Hopefully I will see you guys there.